Strengthening Faith 111. I had a thought which I wanted to share. There are two types of divine revelation. One are the exact words of Allah, the Exalted, which is represented by the Holy Quran. The other is the inspiration given to the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, by Allah, the Exalted. This is called narration or narrations, as the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, did not speak out of his own desire. Chapter 53 and name, verse 3.
Nor does he speak from his own inclination.
The Holy Quran cannot be understood correctly without the narrations traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, as the narration explain the verses in their proper context, e.g. why they were revealed, what are they referring to, etc. This is why it is obligatory to follow the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Chapter 59 Al-Hash, verse 7.
And whatever the messenger has given you, take, and what he has forbidden you, refrain from.
And chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 31.
Say, Prophet, if you should love Allah, then follow me, so Allah will love you and forgive you your sins.
And chapter 4 An-Nisa, verse 59.
O you who have believed, obey Allah and obey the messenger.
And chapter 4 An-Nisa, verse 80.
Whoever obeys the messenger has truly obeyed Allah.
Another reason why narrations are needed is that the Holy Quran does not explain everything, so therefore one is forced to turn to the narrations of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. For example, the three pillars of Islam, obligatory charity, the holy pilgrimage, and the obligatory prayers. The obligatory prayers, which is the central pillar of Islam, is not explained in the Holy Quran in detail, such as the way to offer the prayer is not mentioned at all in the Holy Quran. The timings are vaguely indicated, but not explained in detail. The exact amount of the obligatory charity which is due is not clarified in the Holy Quran. Only the groups which are entitled to it are. But even then one must turn to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, to fully understand the different groups. Only some parts of the holy pilgrimage are very briefly mentioned in the Holy Quran. But the precise order of activities, or what to do at each place, is not mentioned in the Holy Quran. Without the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, these 3 out of 5 pillars of Islam cannot be completed correctly. It is important to understand that Allah, the Exalted, preserved the Holy Quran and the established traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Chapter 15 Al-Hijr, verse 9.
It is certainly we who have revealed the reminder, and it is certainly we who will preserve it.
The word Quran is not mentioned in this verse. Instead, reminder is mentioned, which includes both types of divine revelation, the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. The very people who transmitted the Holy Quran to the following generations, the companions, may Allah be pleased with them, are the same people who transmitted the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. If a person rejects one, then it casts doubt on the other. Finally, the people who understood Islam the best are the companions, may Allah be pleased with them. And they made it clear that the Holy Quran cannot be correctly implemented without the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Without these traditions, it becomes easy to misinterpret and take the verses of the Holy Quran out of their proper context. It is the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, which clarify the verses in order to show what they really mean. This is why the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, is the practical model of the Holy Quran. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.